Adding subtitles to your videos helps to keep your audience engaged, all while making your videos both visually appealing and accessible for all viewers. Thanks to helpful tools like VEED, you can automatically add subtitles to your videos using AI. Best of all, it can be done in as little as one click, allowing you to create more content faster. There are some pretty interesting stats when it comes to how people are viewing their content. Almost 70% of people watching video in public spaces mute their audio, and 25% of viewers do this even when watching their videos in private. Without subtitles, viewers are more likely to scroll past your video. And you work so hard to create your content. It would be such a shame to miss out on potential viewers, especially when adding subtitles is just so easy. Take this video, for example. Without any sound or subtitles, it's hard to tell what the video is about, especially at the beginning. At first glance, it kind of looks like this video is about teeth whitening. Or maybe not, because now we're seeing soap. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it here. But as you can see, we're approaching the 20-second mark and we're still trying to kind of piece it together and figure out what the video is about. Creators are starting to see that their audience is only waiting 1 to 2 seconds before deciding whether or not their content is worth watching. It just goes to show that we need to do everything we can to hold a viewer's attention. So let's add some subtitles along with other cool elements to this video using VEED. So first things first, we're going to hit the Subtitles tab over in the left-hand menu. And then we're going to automatically generate subtitles from our video file. Now, while we do have the option to choose from many different languages here, we'll go ahead and stick with US English. You also have the option to add automatic highlighting if you'd like, and this will automatically highlight certain parts of your sentences and important words. You can also use the speaker detection feature, and this really comes in handy when you have more than one person speaking. Next, we'll hit the Create Subtitles button and watch VEED do its thing. So just like that, we've got our subtitles. We can play it back here so that you can see what they look like. Over on the left, we have the text that we can actually go ahead and edit if we'd like. And while we can certainly go through and make tweaks where we see fit, there aren't any major fixes that we need to make, which is really quite impressive. VEED also makes suggestions when it comes to your subtitles, which allows you to revisit the word if necessary, or you can simply mark it as correct. If we wanted to, we could export our video at this point and call it a day, which just goes to show how quickly and easily you can add subtitles to your videos. But I wanted to take it a step further in this video to show you how easy it is to customize your subtitles and add other elements as well. As you saw earlier, VEED does give you the option to highlight certain words automatically, but you can also do it manually if you prefer. So let's say we wanted to go through and highlight the different product names. We can certainly do that by highlighting the text and then giving it a different color. In this case, we're also going to make the text bold. If we click on the Styles button at the top, we can further customize our subtitles. There are many different preset styles that VEED offers, and in this case, I'm going to pick the default style. We can choose a different font if we'd like. We can also increase the font size, and then change the font color. We can choose from a list of brand colors that we've saved over time, or we can select a color from the bottom portion here. In this case, I'm going to leave it as white. We can also change the background color, as well as the way that it's displayed. You could select this larger rectangular shape behind the text, or you could go for a more rigid option, or the rounded corners that we started with. Now, another thing that we can do with the background color is change the transparency. But let's say we wanted to change that to perhaps 60%, although that is a little light, so let's change it to 80%. You now have a semi-transparent background. However, you'll notice that the boxes are starting to run into each other a little bit over on the right-hand side. Now that is completely fine because you can actually edit the line height. So if we click on this button here, you can make your adjustments until you like the spacing. Now, because this video features natural products like these natural bamboo toothbrushes, I thought it might be even nicer to swap the colors. So instead of having white text on black, I thought it'd be nice to flip it so that it's black text on white. Now that we've settled on our style, let's have a look at the subtitles in action. I really like the way that they look, but as you can see, they're kind of covering the products. So we're simply going to drag the subtitles towards the top of the video. There, that's much better. So now that we're done with our subtitles, I'm going to add a title to the beginning of our video. Not only does this help set the expectation as to what the video is about, it can also be used as a thumbnail. We're going to use a pre-made option here, where we will simply edit the text. We'll also move it around and adjust the alignment. Finish adding in the text up here. And then I'll choose a different font and make it bold. Next, I'm going to do what is probably my favorite thing to do in VEED, and that is adding elements. We'll start off with a progress bar, and not only does it look good, but it also helps viewers understand where they are in the video and how much time they have left. Of course, we can customize our progress bar colors, and I'm going to choose green in this case so that it matches the color that we gave the product names earlier. Next, we're going to add an animated clicking sticker, and that's because we want to entice people to click on the links in our bio and further check out these products. I'm going to look for some sparkle stickers to add to the title here. So if we watch it back now, you'll see these very subtle sparkles. This animated sticker is going to be the last one that we add to our video, and I wanted to add some animated lines around our products. Now that we've added in all of our new elements and subtitles, let's watch the two videos back side by side. As you can see, the new video is way more appealing because there's so much more going on. The new video will be able to hold a viewer's attention for longer. That's it for now. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that it inspires you to create more video content as we kick off the new year. So head on over to VEED.io to start adding subtitles and other scroll stopping elements to your videos today.